Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on solving for the variable in the equation 5 times x divided by 2 equals 10. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of finding the value of x. So let's get started. To solve for the variable x in the equation 5x divided by 2 equals 10, we need to isolate x on one side of the equation. In this step, we'll eliminate the fraction by performing the opposite operation of division, which is multiplication. We see that x is being divided by 2, so we will multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to cancel out the 2 in the denominator. On the left side of the equation, multiplying 5x divided by 2 by 2 results in just 5x. This is because dividing by 2 and then multiplying by 2 cancels each other out, leaving us with only 5x. On the right side of the equation, multiplying 10 by 2 gives us 20. So the equation simplifies from 5x divided by 2 equals 10 to 5x equals 20. In this step, we have the equation 5x equals 20. To solve for x, we need to isolate it completely on one side of the equation. Currently, x is being multiplied by 5. To undo this multiplication, we'll perform the opposite operation, which is division. So we will divide both sides of the equation by 5. On the left side of the equation, dividing 5x by 5 results in just x. This is because any number divided by itself equals 1, and 5 divided by 5 is 1, so we are left with just x. On the right side of the equation, dividing 20 by 5 gives us 4. So the equation now simplifies from 5x equals 20 to x equals 4. This means the value of x that satisfies the initial equation 5x divided by 2 equals 10 is 4. In this step, we will divide both sides of the equation by 5. On the left side of the equation, dividing 5x by 5 results in just x. This is because any number divided by itself equals 1, and 5 divided by 5 is 1, so we are left with just x. On the right side of the equation, dividing 20 by 5 gives us 4. So the equation now simplifies from 5x equals 20 to x equals 4. This means the value of x that satisfies the initial equation 5x divided by 2 equals 10 is 4. This is the final step, and we have found that x equals 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.